I think if we're a true partner and we're looking for them to be successful, it's up to us to help them identify waste and programs and help them overcome that. If they're able to drive down the total cost of program, they'll be, I would say, more of a champion of services from within, and that helps with loyalty and building a long-term relationship with an account or customer. We have to be in lockstep. We just can't be, the company that shows up on a Monday and back the following Monday. We have to be truly part of their environment, part of what they're doing, interested in the outcome, invested, and helping them grow as they evolve as a business, staying right there with them during their growth, with technology, with solutions, whether it's software or cal and repair, but the whole entire experience, the life cycle of an account. We want to be very, very much a part of that all the way through.